think this is about 6:51 a.m. Honestly, I couldn't sleep. Like, I don't know. I was just tense. Like, when you're going to the embassy for the very first time, I didn't know what to expect. I don't know how it's going to be. I don't know if we're going to meet up our timeline. We're supposed to check out of the Airbnb by 11 a.m. I don't know. Why do hotels actually like here in Canada? Why is their checkout time like 11 a.m. instead of 12 like back home? Anyways, guys, how you guys doing today? How are you this morning? I hope you're doing okay. So I am just trying to like raise the blinds and then see what I can do for my family this morning. One thing I loved about this apartment is the lighting. Like, I cannot emphasize the importance of lights in an apartment. Like, it uplifts your spirits. Like, it makes you feel motivated to do anything. Like, you're shining bright. And this was just me feeling myself in the mirror. Everybody, like my husband and my baby, they were still sleeping. So it was just me up here doing my thing and trying to put things in order, getting our documents ready, trying to check over and over again because I don't want to go back. I cannot count the number of times I checked my documents over and over again just to ensure that I have everything. I even printed out like a list of things I was supposed to bring, like documents for the whole renewal. So the thing is, it's not like our passports had expired. You remember what I said? If you've watched the video, like how to renew your Nigerian passport step by step, which I posted earlier, it's just that we needed it to apply for our work permits, like to extend our work permit, which was one of the mistakes we made. Like, we should have renewed it even before then. I think they may have given us an exception, although we still had like 1 year remaining before the expiration. So yes, so this morning my family will be having my daughter will be having some plum and yogurts, and my husband will be having yogurts as well, and some granola. If you're seeing my video for the very first time, my name is Isabella Odo. I'm a mom currently living in Canada. I love to share mom tips, beauty, skincare, travel vlogs, my experiences in Canada, and how I navigate my way in Canada as a new immigrant and as somebody who came through the SOWP route. If you like my face and if my channel looks like something that will be of interest to you, please do not hesitate to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and you'll be the first to know whenever I post another video. At this point, my daughter was awake, but she didn't want to have a bath. She just wanted to sit and enjoy the sun. Imagine her crying. Like, I don't understand. Like, what's so special about the sun for you? You're not even creating content. Look at her funny face. The thing is, if you're actually looking for an apartment where you can stay to renew your Nigerian passport here in Ottawa, I will actually recommend this because it's like 8 minutes or 9 minutes or 9 minutes away from the embassy. So it's very close. You can always come here. It's perfect for families, like if you have battalions and like if you have friends, like a couple, you get, I don't know if you understand, like if you have friends and you guys are like coming together, everybody can just stay here, have fun, catch up and everything. It's really good. It's giving homey vibes. It's giving that home vibes, like home away from home. So yeah, I recommend it. If you're watching this video up to this point and you have not subscribed, why have you not subscribed? Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends. It's past 7 now. We want to just have a breakfast and then head out as soon as possible. So I'll be taking you guys along if possible, and if not, I'll just gist you guys everything our experience when I am back. Hi people, so we're on our way to the embassy now. This is about past 8 and our appointment is for 9 p.m. So like I mentioned earlier, the drive to the hotel is just 8 minutes. So let's hope there'll be no queue there. So apparently our appointment was for 9 a.m. not 9 p.m. I honestly don't know what I was thinking about when I said 9 p.m. Ottawa is a very, very beautiful city. It's so beautiful. Like every time I remember Ottawa, like I always have smiles on my face because I've had like the best experiences here since our last vacation. And if you've not watched that video, it's up here on my channel. You should watch it. At this point, we're just like few seconds away from the Nigerian embassy, and it was such a relief. We were just waiting for the traffic lights to pass us and also trying to scout for parking, which is why I created this video. Like I decided to like compile this vlog because finding parking was not easy. And as you can see, there's really like a queue already. I had to even stop by to ask some people where to park. Did you know if there's any parking space like around here?
I don't know. I don't know. 1 hour. I think maybe you me 1 hour from 9 a.m.
Yeah, I think so.
It's only from 9 a.m.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's only from 9.
Hey guys, so we are basically at the embassy now. They don't start until 9 p.m. and this is like 8:29. Sorry, 9 a.m. and this is like 8:29. So we're looking for parking space. There are like parking spaces around. There's like a street before it. I can't remember what that street is called, where you can park from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Yeah, I think that one is free. While we also have like a parking space right by the embassy that starts the parking starts from 9 a.m. So we actually didn't park there because it's not yet 9 a.m. So my husband has gone to pay in the street that is just opposite the embassy because it's very close and because we arrived early, so there's no need to start driving around so that we can also take our turn in the queue and then finish up everything on time. So that's my husband there trying to buy time because here in Ottawa, if you're parking in downtown Ottawa, you have to like make some payments. I'll let you guys know the street number or the name of the street so that it can also help you when you're coming for your own passport renewal, so you know what to do. After we made payments for the parking, we decided to go to the embassy, and as you already know, I'm not allowed to take pictures or photos of this place. So we're like the 6th people on the queue. There were like people already here. And so this is what the gate looks like. They didn't allow us entering until 9 a.m. Gang. Like they kept coming out and they kept checking us. While we're here, one man came to like tell us a lot of things, which I'm going to like gist you guys later in the course of the video. So this is like the requirements when you step inside, like for different things. You may have to zoom this in, and I also posted it in the other video just in case if you want to do a visa or renew your passport. So we just finished now. We waited until it was 9 a.m. before they opened, and then we're like the 6th people on the queue. They basically just took our passports again. They didn't require the passport that we printed. They didn't require some things I printed. Even the consent letter for my daughter was returned back to me, and the data page for my daughter, which we submitted, because you're required to submit like 2 copies, one for the father, one for the mother. It was returned. We also took another passport for her as well. So we'll be going home now. This is about exactly 10 o'clock. So yeah, we will be on our way. As promised, the name of the street where you're supposed to park, that's the street right opposite the embassy, is Lewis Street, just like you can see the screenshot here. If you come earlier than 9 a.m., which is like the official resumption time of the embassy, you have to look for a space to park, and this Lewis Street is like the best spot for you. This place I'm showing you now is like the street beside the embassy. This is the embassy parking lot. I think it's just for staff only, so visitors cannot park in here. Otherwise, if you come after 9 a.m., you are allowed to park in front of the embassy, just right in front of the embassy. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a rundown of what to expect when you get to the Nigerian embassy that morning. This video I am recording is based on my experience. I do not have any affiliations with the embassy whatsoever, but this is my experience as at when I visited the embassy July 28, 2025. So the first thing you do when you come down from your car is to find a space to queue up, because for us it was first come, first serve. So I really don't know what the process is going to be like now, but this was what happened. So the faster you secure a space for yourself, the better for you. And while we were there was a man who came, introduced himself. He's kind of like a travel agent. I think he's Nigerian, and he also owns a restaurant. So he will basically list the things that you need so you can cross-check. And if you do not have some of these items like the passports, the return envelope, you can go with him to his store to get it. So this is like the flyer he shared with us, just in case if you want to eat amala, any Nigerian delicacy. I am not actually doing like an ad, but this is what he shared with us. And I think he also shared like his card, his business card. I don't have that because like I'm not being paid to do this ad, so yeah. And then once you are able to get into the embassy, the first thing you do is to submit your documents to the man at the door. Before you give your document to the man at the door, you'll be asked to keep your bags like in a locker, like a cabinet, and then you lock it. I think you have to take the key, drop your phones and everything, and then when you do that, you take your documents to the man, and he just has to scan it, like go through each of the requirements and the documents for each applicant. And when you're ready, he asks you to go to the waiting room. Before you leave there to go to the waiting room, a number will be assigned to you, and that is how your applications will be treated. Aside from the first come first serve thing, a number will be given to you, maybe like number 8, number 10, or something of that sort, because the document passes from the man at the door to another person, and that's the person who assigns the number to you. Once you get to the waiting room, all you just need to do is wait for your turn. So when it is your turn, you'll be called to take a passport photograph, and that is the photograph that will be used on your passport. Like that's the one that's going to be on your data page. So that was why I said in my previous video that you do not need to worry about, oh, the passport I uploaded is not nice, it's not looking fine. Shall try to look fine. Me, I didn't know what to expect. I pulled on my lashes before I came here. I tried not to do makeup because I didn't want any issues with, oh, this is not what you're supposed to do based on our experiences back home. Once you're done with your capturing, the next thing they'll do is give you a sheet of paper that has, I think, is it your name, and to write down your address, your phone number, and your next of kin's name. That's what happens. And then when you write that, you have to take a copy back home, something of that sort. I can't really remember because I can't even find the sheet, but that's what it is. Once you're done with this and every other thing that they require of you, you know that you're ready to go. You can even ask them, oh, can I go now? And they'll be like, yeah, you can go now. And so at this point, we're just going back home, like back to the Airbnb so we could eat, because I still had like okra soup remaining and some other foods that we needed to eat. As much as I enjoyed like my stay in this Airbnb, there's something that was not giving, was giving like Agbero vibes, the parking space. Like when I saw it for the first time, I'm like, what am I coming to do here? Like, why am I parking here? Is this the place? Is this not the place? Let me show you. So if you've watched my previous video, you will remember that this is like the outskirts of the Airbnb where we're supposed to stay in. The outskirts was looking so beautiful, so cute, but this is what the neighborhood looked like, especially this small yellow house here. Like, where am I parking? So this was where we're supposed to park. It wasn't given. This is the parking space I was talking about. Like, it wasn't looking like it was affiliated with the Airbnb. It's just there, like, We felt so, should I call it insecure? Yeah, well, that's like the hotel where I showed you earlier was the hotel. Look at it. No one enjoys a vacation or a staycation or a time away better than this little woman. It's not like she works, so she doesn't even stress herself, but she loves to relax and to enjoy herself. So at this point, we're back at the Airbnb trying to eat and then like finish up the chicken we brought and every other thing. One of the rules was to keep the house like how we saw it. So we had to clean, trash the garbage, ensure that everywhere was as clean as when we came, like crisp and clean. And then I decided to take one look at the rooftop. I never went to this rooftop. I knew it existed, but because of the tension, the timing, as at when we arrived and all of that, I did not go there. So I just decided to like go here one last time to peep and then give you guys like a view just in case if you want to lodge here. If you've watched this vlog up to this point, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video. If you have questions, ask. Share this video with any of your friends or your family members who intend to renew their passports in Ottawa anytime. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Isabella Odo. I'm a mom currently living in Canada. I love to share mom tips, my experiences, my finds, beauty and skincare products. So you can follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, or you can connect with me here. So after the long ride from let's say around 11, we go to Toronto by past 5, like you can see there. Toronto being Toronto, you always see traffic just like you can see here. So we actually scaled through this traffic and we arrived home safely. Thank you so much guys for all the love that you show me. I see your comments, I see your likes, I see your questions, and I am always eager to respond to them. If you have any question here, please do not hesitate to ask me. And if you've not watched the other series in the Renewing My Nigerian Passport, please do well to watch it. Bye bye.